Good morning all of you. How are you beta? I hope you all are fine. So beta, in previous chapter we have done the numbers up to 50. Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter number 8, numbers up to 100. Today we will start chapter 8, numbers up to 100 on your book page number 99. So open your books. Yes beta. Look at here. Veer, Farah, Richa and Krish have made strings of beads. ये क्या कर रहे हैं? Beads की हेल्प से string बना रहे हैं. Clear बेटा? Count and write the total number of beads used. We have to count उन्होंने कितने beads यूज की हैं string बनाने के लिए. Clear? जो ये एक string है इसमें कितने beads हैं? 10 beads. देखो आप, ये एक string बन गई, इसमें कितने beads यूज हो रहे हैं? 10 beads. Clear? So number 1, इसका तो हमें पता है इसमें कितने beads हैं. अभी हमने देखा है ना, ये किसके इक्वल है? 10 beads के. तो इसमें कितने हैं? 10 beads. प्लस ये तो लूज में भी दे रखे हैं हमें, यहाँ पे 10 तो थे. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. इसमें कितने बीड्स यूज हो रहे हैं? 15. सो हेयर यू विल राइट 15 बीड्स. क्लियर बेटा? देन सेकेंड पार्ट, ये हमारे पास 2 स्ट्रिंग दे रखी हैं. ये भी हमें पता है किसके इक्वल है? 10 के. ये भी किसके इक्वल है? 10 के. 10 + 10, 110, 210. 2 10s मीन्स यस 20 तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है. लूज में कितने हैं? 20 तक, यहाँ तक हो गया. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. सेकेंड पार्ट में कितने बीड्स यूज हो रहे हैं? 26. So beta, here you will write 26. Then third part beta, here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 strings. तीनों strings में कितने beads यूज हो रहे हैं? 10. 110, 210, 310. 3 10s means yes 30. यहाँ तक हमारे पास कितने हो गए? 30. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So here we will write 37 beads. Then beta, fourth one, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 strings. 110, 210, 310, 410. 410 means beta 40. और लूज में कितने हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40 तक तो यहाँ हो गए हमारे पास. देन 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. सो बेटा हेयर यू विल राइट 48 beads. क्लियर बेटा? नाउ ओपन योर बुक पेज नंबर बेटा 100. लुक एट हेयर. Granny gave some grapes to Vidya, Salman, Reema, Chinky and Fali. जो ग्रैनी है उसने किसको किसको ग्रेप्स दिए? विद्या, सलमान, रीमा, चिंकी एंड फली. काउंट द नंबर ऑफ ग्रेप्स ईच चाइल्ड हैज गॉट. हमने क्या करना है? काउंट करना है कि ईच चाइल्ड को कितने ग्रेप्स मिले हैं. ईच बंच हैज़ 10 ग्रेप्स. ये आपने याद रखना है, जो एक बंच है उसमें कितने हैं? 10 ग्रेप्स हैं. ये हमें याद करना है. जैसे हमारे पास क्या होता था? 1 बंडल ऑफ 10 पेंसिल्स. हमें पता है उस बंडल में कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं? 10 पेंसिल्स हैं. ऐसे ही ये क्या है? एक बंच है. इस बंच में हमें पता है कि इसमें कितने ग्रेप्स हैं? 10 ग्रेप्स हैं. क्लियर बेटा? सो लुक एट हियर. विद्या हैज़ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunch of grapes. क्लियर बेटा? विद्या क्या कह रही है? I have 6 bunches of grapes. But each bunch has 10 grapes. That means Vidya has 6 tens. 6 tens. Clear beta? And 6 tens is 60. 6 tens is 60. As you have done earlier, 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40, 5 tens means 50. Now we have 6 tens. 6 tens means beta 60. So how will you write 60? S-I-X-T-Y. 60. Clear? Then beta, here is Salman. Salman has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bunches of grapes. But each bunch, एक bunch में कितने grapes हैं हमारे पास? 10. And Salman has 7 bunches. That means he has 7 tens. Clear beta? And 7 tens is 70. 7 tens is 70. And the number name of 70 beta? S. Yes beta. 7 tens is 70. And what is the number name of 70? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. Clear? Then we have Reema. Reema have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bunches of grapes. That means Reema have 8 tens because each bunch has 10 grapes. 10 इसमें, 10 इसमें, 10 इसमें, सभी में 10 है. So Reema has 8 tens and 8 tens is 80. 8 tens is 80. How will you write 80? E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Clear beta? Then we have Chinky. Chinky have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bunches of grapes. Chinky के पास कितने हैं? 9 bunches. That means she has 9 tens. She have 9 tens. 9 tens is 90. 9 tens is 90. And how will you write 90? N-I-N-E-T-Y. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. Clear beta? Then we have Fali. Fali have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bunches of grapes. That means he have 10 tens. He has 10 tens. And 10 tens is 100. 10 tens is 100. Number name of 100? O-N-E. 1. इसके spelling तो आपको आते हैं. Then 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 100. Clear beta? Yes beta. Next we have page number 101. Look at here the 50s. Clear? A part, say the number as you write. Number 1, beta, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundle है हमारे पास of 10 pencils. 5 bundle of 10 pencils. That means we have, yes, 5 tens. We have 5 tens. So beta, we will write 5 under tens. Lose में है हमारे पास कोई? No. That means 0, 1. So beta, here you will write 0. 5, 0, 50. And the number name of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Second we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundle of 10 pencils. That means yes, 5 tens. So beta here we will write 5. Then लूज में कितनी है हमारे पास? 1 2. That means we have 2 ones. So beta we will write 2 under ones. 5 to 52. First of all you will write 50, then hyphen, then 2. 50 के स्पेलिंग भी आपको आते हैं, 2 के भी आते हैं, 52. And in this box you will write 52. Clear beta? Then we have 1 2 3 4 5. 5 bundle of 10 pencils. That means we have 5 tens. So beta here we will write 5 under tens. Then we have 7 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 loose pencils हैं. That means we have 7 ones. So beta under ones we will write 7. 5 7 57. 50 के स्पेलिंग भी आपको आते हैं, 7 के भी आते हैं ना. First of all you will write 50, then hyphen, then 7. Here you will write 57. Then beta we have 5 bundle of 1 2 3 4 5. 5 bundle of 10 pencils. Again we will write 5 under tens. And we have 9 in loose. Loose कितनी है हमारे पास? 9. That means 9 ones. So beta under ones you will write 9. 5 9 59. 59. And in this box you will also write 59. Clear beta? Write the number names. बेटा आपको क्या करना है? Number name write करने हैं. Clear? Now look at the board. Here we have 50. So beta F-I-F-T-Y 50. 50 के स्पेलिंग तब आपको आते हैं ना? F-I-F-T-Y 50. Then beta which number is this? Yes, which number is this? 5 1 51. 5 1 51. How will you write the number name of 51 beta? First of all you will write 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. Then hyphen, then 1. O-N-E 1. Clear beta? 51. Then we have 52. 52. First of all you will write 50, then you will write 2. 52. Clear? Then beta which number is this? 5 3 53. F-I-F-T-Y 50. Then 3 T-H-R-E-E 3. Then beta we have 54. First of all you will write 50 hyphen, then 4. F-O-U-R 4. Then beta we have 5 5 55. First of all 50 hyphen, then 5. F-I-V-E 5. Then we have 56. First of all beta 50 hyphen, then 6. S-I-X 6. Then we have beta 5 7 57. 5 7 57. 50 S-E-V-E-N 7. 57. Then we have beta 5 8 58. F-I-F-T-Y 50 hyphen, then 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Then beta we have 5 9 50. के स्पेलिंग लर्न कर लो, FIFTY। 1 से लेके 9 तक तो आपको आते ही है, आप चैप्टर 1 में लर्न करके आए हो है ना। 50 के लर्न कर लिए, आगे तो आपको अपने आप आ जाएंगे। क्लियर बेटा? 51, 52, 53 एंड सो ऑन। क्लियर बेटा? सो बेटा यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर नेम्स हियर। क्लियर बेटा? Yes beta, now look at the page number 102. Here we have the 60s, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Clear beta? B part, say the number as you write. Number 1 beta, check how many bundle of pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 bundle of 10 pencils. 6 tens means, yes beta, 60. 6 tens means 60. लूज में है कुछ हमारे पास? No. So beta 6 tens. So beta we will write 6 under tens. लूज में कुछ नहीं है हमारे पास. We have nothing in loose. So beta we will write 0 under ones. 6 0 60. And how will you write 60? SIXTY, 60. Then beta second part we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundle of 10 pencils. That means we have 6 tens. We will write 6 under tens. लूज में कितनी है हमारे पास? 1, 2. So beta here we will write 2 under ones. 6 2 62. First of all you will write 60, then hyphen, then 2, TWO2, and in this box you will also write 62. Clear beta? Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundle of 10 pencils. So that means we have 6 tens. We will write 6 under tens. लूज में कितनी है हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3, 4. So beta under ones we will write 4. 6 4 64. 6 4 64. SIXTY 60. FOUR 4. 64. Clear? Then beta we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundle of 10 pencils. That means we have 6 tens. Yes, so here we will write 6. लूज में कितनी है हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write 9 under ones. 6 9 69. So in this box beta we will write 69. Clear? So beta here you will write the number name like this: 62, 61, 62, 63, 64. Clear beta? Yes beta. Now look at the page number 103. Here we have the 70s. 70 वाली लाइन है हमारे पास. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Look at the C part beta. Number 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bundle of 10 pencils. That means we have 7 tens, and 7 tens is, yes, 70. 7 tens. So beta here we will write 7 under tens. Nothing in loose. That means 0 1. So beta we will write 0 under ones. 7 0 70. SEVEN 70. 70. Then beta we have 7 bundle of 10 pencils. That means 7 tens. We will write 7 under tens. We have 1 2 3 3 in loose. That means 3 ones. So beta here we will write 3. 7 3 73. SEVENTY 70 hyphen then 3 73. In this box beta you will also write 73. Then beta we have 7 tens. So beta we will write 7 under tens. लूज में कितनी है हमारे पास? 6. So beta you will write 6 under ones. 76. First of all, you will write 70, then 6. S-I-X, 6. In this box, you will also write 76. Then we have 7 bundle of 10 pencils. That means 7 tens. So, beta under tens, you will write 7. Then we have 9 in loose. 9 in loose. So, beta 9 ones. 7 9, 79. First of all, you will write 70, then hyphen, then 9. N-I-N-E, 9. In this box, beta, you will also write 79. Clear, beta? Then we have write the number names. Now you have to write the number names from 70 to 79. Look at the board, beta. Here we have 70. Spelling of 70. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Then T-Y, 70. Then we have 71. First of all, you will write 70. Then hyphen. Then 1. O-N-E, 1. Then 72. First of all, you will write 70. Then hyphen. Then 2. T-W-O, 2. Then 73. S-E-V-E-N, 7. T-Y-T. Then 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then we have 74. First of all, 70. Then hyphen. Then 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Then we have it as 75. 70. Hyphen, then 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Then we have 76. 70 hyphen S-I-F, 6. 76. 77. First of all, you will write 70, beta. Then hyphen, then 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. What come after 77? 78. 70. First of all, you will write 70, beta. Then hyphen, then 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Then we have 79. S-E-V-E-N, 7. T-Y-T, 70. Hyphen, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Clear, beta? So, beta, in the same way, you will write here the number names. Clear? Yes, beta. If you have any query, you can discuss with me. Clear? Thank you, beta. Have a nice day.